We have Uma Sudhir joining us live from the Hyderabad airport. Uma, the Interpol Orange Notice outlined potential criminal activity in relation to the falsification and theft of the COVID-19 vaccines. Now, with the pandemic having already triggered unprecedented, opportunistic and predatory criminal behavior, are you seeing tight security measures in place? What's the latest?
At the Hyderabad airport, in fact, we are expecting in a very short while to be looking at all those facilities. What Telangana is expecting is about 2.9 lakh doses for the healthcare workers, Anganwadi workers, ASHA workers, and so on. Hyderabad airport on its part in fact has a massive experience in handling vaccine because, as you know, India itself is supplying about 2/3 of the world's vaccines, and out of that 50%, which means 1/3 of the global vaccines are in fact being supplied by Hyderabad, and therefore it has had the cold storage facilities and the transportation facilities. Of course, now Dolly, which has been added to these facilities, and the capacity here has been increased in terms of both storage as well as for transport, the air side as well as the land side transport. And what they are talking about is from here they are expecting not just the arrival of the Covishield vaccine, which we are expecting today of the Serum Institute, but there is also going to be export from here of the Bharat Biotech vaccines, which is the second vaccine which has been given emergency user authorization, and therefore the airport in many cases, depending on not just its experience from earlier, they have all the infrastructure in place. They've in fact scaled it up in order to be able to maintain the cold chain and move at the quickest possible efficiency. They were in fact even planning to be doing not just the 2 to 8 degrees, but also preparing for being able to handle cargo like the Moderna vaccine, which will require much less temperature as well. Two things in place. One, of course, we are having about 1,213 vaccination centers and 866 cold storage points in Telangana itself, where these vaccines are expected to be transported, because just on the first day itself, we are expecting about 14,000 jabs to happen. In Andhra Pradesh as well, where security was a big issue. Yesterday, the High Court had in fact said that the local body elections, which the Election Commission had notified, those cannot be held because the vaccination drive will take priority, and both cannot happen simultaneously. And one of the senior officers there was telling us that the kind of Z plus security, high security that these containers will have to be given while they are being transported everywhere, it would have been simply not possible to have police force deployed between the elections and between the vaccination, reaching the vaccinations to all the destinations possible. There are about about 1,677 cold storage points to which these vaccines would have to be transported in Andhra Pradesh as well. Back to you.